I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. Yeah. I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. Yeah. I know a girl that's extra cool, extra real. She don't even really flex for real. Everything organic, nah, she don't even need a pleasure pill. Take anything for granted, nah, you would surely be an ex for real. Cause when she love, she fall in love. All she really want is all your love. Everybody that she do meet just has sex and call it love. If she ever meet it, I don't even think she would even know to call it love. She a good mother, a good daughter, a good bestie. The hood taught her to be careful when you cross the road. So look both ways before you cross her soul. I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. Yeah. Say H-Town on her cup, D-Town on her stunt, OG and her blunt. About to go overseas for a month. I like how you notice me, you don't front. Don't walk with your nose up. Yeah. I can see you focus. Yeah. I can see you focus. Yeah. Can't do shit with no trust. Yeah. All these men be so sus. Yeah. If you important, they'll wait. Yeah. Can't do shit in no rush. Yeah. Trying to fit with society, and that's pressure, give you anxiety. Don't stress it, baby, keep your eye on G, and that's goals. You got a bigger fight than me, and I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. I don't need a holiday for me to give you your flowers, baby. Yeah. You a queen and don't let anybody else tell you you're not. Cause when the devil try to score on you, you block the shot. Together we make God. We ain't never walked this earth alone. The same energy you give out, you gotta condone. Flowers. Man, this piano sounds so good. That piano sound good, man. We'll bring them drums back too. Like right up on the 4. Back pedal. That is not growth, that's a back pedal. That is not a rose, that's metal. Now that you know, that's settled. Stop going back to the old. Stop trying to fix what's broke. Bird's eye view, don't cope. Work on you, that's hope. Girl, I swear to God.